How to make a Google Meet code. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Google Meet is already installed on a device. If not, you can head over to your App Store or Play Store and then install it. Once that's been installed, open the app and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Now click on this camera icon at the bottom right corner and then click on Create a new meeting. Click on Got it. Well, the link will be given to you. First of all, you have to copy this link and you can go back and head over to your notes or anywhere that you can write. Paste the link that you have just copied. Now, your Google Meet code is the code after the .com/. You can simply remove other things like this. So the code of your Google Meet is visible now. Likewise, in any of the meeting that you create, the code will be all the characteristics after .com. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create Google Meet code. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.